we'll guide you through how to add transitions in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your computer and load up your project. You'll want to go to the Edit page, which you can find at the bottom of the screen. Once there, you'll see your timeline with all your clips. To add a transition, you'll need to position your playhead between two clips where you want the transition to occur. Next, head over to the Effects library located in the top left corner. Click on it, and you'll see various options. Look for Video Transitions and click to expand this section. Here, you'll find a range of transitions like cross-dissolve, wipe, and others. You can preview each by hovering over them. To add a transition, simply click and drag your chosen transition onto the cut between your clips in the timeline. Release the mouse button to drop it in place. You can adjust the duration of the transition by dragging its edges in the timeline. If you want to fine-tune it further, click on the transition itself, and go to the Inspector panel on the top right. Here, you can tweak the transition's properties such as duration, alignment, and other settings specific to the type of transition. Remember, you can always undo changes with Ctrl+Z if you make a mistake. Experiment with different transitions to see which one best suits your project's mood and style. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.